Hello, family. Yeah, my name is EJ Chukuno. So, Destiny, is there any need for introduction? But okay, maybe for the first time, getting to know me. That's the name of my page. Yeah, today we're talking about trend identification. Yeah, last time I put out my strategy. So I want to tell you, I want to now teach you the process on how I take my trade, like the whole processes and everything. So, first of all, when I enter the market, what's come to my mind is trend identification. Like, what's trend identification? What's happening in the market? I get to me now. You hear some people making some statement like market structure is the king. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about here. So we'll go through the whole process of trend identification. First of all, I'll be talking about price action trading. Yeah, that is what I know, that's what I use, and yeah, that's what we're talking about. So first of all, maybe I want to give an example. Now when you open a market like this 10, yeah, you can see a lot of whole candlestick. We call this candlestick pattern. These are candlestick forming candlestick. We'll talk about how a class next talk about how the candlestick form and time frame. So you can see the whole candlestick stuff here. A lot of candlestick pattern here. So when I open market, like what's happening? Maybe a new B, maybe somebody just coming to the forest trading, or somebody just coming to the whole stuff. Like what's all these things? I cannot understand these things. So that's what I want to talk about now. Price action help you to know what's happening in the market. So I'll go back to our notes, just a little note, so you can just understand. In my note here, I said price action. What price action trading is an effective trading approach where traders make decisions based on the movement of the price shown on the chart. I get me now. Without relying on a complex indicator. If focusly solely on price history and does not consider internal factor, price chart reflect the collective behavior of trader in the market. For example, if the price only price is moving up now, we can clearly see that by the what indicate that the buyers are control of the market. I get to me now. When the price is coming down, we see that the sellers are in control of the market. So what price action do that it help you to know the movement of the market. You're not depending on any indicators, maybe what indicators, you're not depending on something to tell you that okay, this is going up or this is coming up. You can see with your eyes with us when you use price action. I get to me now. It's very simple, and you're not going to do, maybe I'm going to come and be putting some lines, or you can see that the reason why you are seeing these things you are seeing my chart, that I want to show you something. And maybe with time, when you start identifying those things in your chart, you can without this stuff, you can enter the market and okay, this is what I'm looking for in the market. There's a buy and there's a sell. I get to me now. So this is what price action does to the market. Oh, it's interesting. So first of all, so when we talk about something, price action is, I can give you another definition. Price action is just the visual representation of your chart, what you are seeing in your chart. That is meaning of price action. I get him now, the visual representation of what your chart, what you can see in your chart. So I'm talking about, all we're talking about is trend identification. Today I will talk about trend. What is trend? I see a trend is simply the pattern and the direction at which the market is moving. And the market is not static in nature. The market always move Monday till Saturday. But for the forex market, for the currency pairs, it stop on Friday and resume back on Monday. But for the indices we were talking about here, Monday to Sunday, back to back, it always move. There's no static on the market. Either it's moving in one direction or it's moving in that direction. It's moving on up, it's moving down, or it's moving sideways. I get me now. It always have a direction. I get me now. So this direction will help you to know when to enter the market. That is interesting about price action. When you know about price action, you can easily know when to enter the market. I get me like okay, you can predict the market. And like okay, do what the market is doing, and you can be patient and say, okay, let me wait. When it comes back, I will do what I have to do, and I will strike. I get me now. This is how the market moves. So we'll talk about trend. Trend is the pattern of which the market is moving in that particular time. I get me now. So we have type of trend. We have different type of trend. We have the uptrend, call it the bullish trend, we have the downtrend, the bearish trend, and we have the sideways trend, which is called the consolidation. When the market is not making is okay. First of all, we'll talk about the uptrend. The uptrend is basically making a higher highs and a higher lows. Let me take my tool. I want to draw something. When the market is creating a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Are you getting me now? So these what we call an uptrend. Are you getting me now? So this what we call an uptrend. So let me just go, because I've already joined the chat, so it'll just be easy for us. I don't want the video to be long. I want something you can go through your own time. So we can look at the whole stuff here. This, I told you I'll be teaching guys what we call on time frame. This is we're on 2 hour time frame. So basically, this is our high here. Market created an high. It came here. It created a higher low, because this high now, this higher low is higher than this low here. We have a high here, a higher high. This after it broke structure here. Let me go to my we'll call here break of structure. Yeah, there's a break of structure here. After it broke this structure here, it came here and created a higher high, a higher low. It came up again, it created a higher high, a higher low. You can see a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. So this automatically, now when you see this thing now, from what I've told you now, we'll talk about now, is what? It's an uptrend. I know that the market is going what? It's going up. Mean that the buyers are in control of this market at this particular time frame, at this particular time. You understand me? The market, the buyers are what? In control. The seller don't have much control here. All the seller do just a little bit of retrace and the buyers take it up again. Are you getting me now? A little bit of retrace, buyer take it up again. So that is what we call a uptrend. Uptrend is what we call it bullish. So for my drawing here, you can see that it's all the same thing. We have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. So what does this thing do? This thing make you to know, okay, now what I will be looking for now, I'll be looking for what? A buy. I'm looking for what? A buy in the market. I will not be looking for a sell, because what the market is doing is what? Is giving what? A buy trend. I get to mean an uptrend. So basically, this is how to identify what? Your uptrend. So I'll go to downtrend. I'll go to our downtrend. Our downtrend is called bearish. When you hear some terms in the forex trade, yeah, bullish, yeah, bearish, you're like, okay, bullish means uptrend, bearish means what? Downtrend. Bullish means, it's also, you can still call this bullish, you can still call it for buy side, you can still call this bearish sell side. Are you getting me now? So for the sell, just the opposite, just take it down and you can see it. You can see that the market is creating what? It created a high, a low, but I started from here, a lower high, a lower low. Market broke structure, give us a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. I get to me now. So when I see this now, like, okay, yes, it's no longer doing higher highs and higher low. What it's doing now is what? Higher, lower low and lower high. Mean that the sellers are what? In control of the market. So what I'll be looking for now, I'll be looking for sells, no more buys again. All my opportunities now, what I will do now, okay, for my strategy now, I'll be like, okay, all I'll be looking for now, I'll be looking for a sell in the market. I'm not looking for a buy in the market. I'm looking for what? A sell. I have to take my sell what? Opportunities in the market, no longer looking for what? A buy. See, this is how to identify your trend. So I'm explaining, I know that the market is not looking simple and like, yeah, you can, most of you that are already in trading are like, okay, maybe you're doing guesswork and just, okay, let me just do this and that stuff. Now you're not understanding the glimpse of the market, what's happening in the world, in the market. What I'm teaching is that I want a particular time that you can sit down on your laptop and understand what's happening on the market. You're not looking on indicator to tell you that, okay, there's a buy, there's a sell. No, all you do is just sit down and look at this market and you can grasp through the market. So we have the last one. We call this consolidation. I just call it consolidation, or we call it sideways. Sideways is all about the market is not creating, because like here you can't see any high highs on higher lows. You're just creating up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, higher equal highs and equal lows. There's no one that break out. I get me now. So all this place now, we call all this place what? A consolidation. The market is not creating a high, it's not creating a low. I get me now. You can see in the little, you can see here, it's still doing the same thing here. Yeah, it's not creating a high, it's not creating a low. All this place world, we call them consolidation. I get me now. So this is all about trend identification. I know with this little point of mine, I've not confused you, but I've made it clear to you that the market can be you can know the market, you can know the direction of the market through trend identification. So just a little bit of, let me just recap. We talk about price action. I think the price action is just your visual representation of your chart, what you see in your chart, the way you can go to the market. I said it's an approach where traders make decisions based on the movement shown in the chart, based on the movement shown in the chart. I get to me now. When you can look at the chart and see, okay, this is what happened on the chart, and I told you about trend. What's trend? Most of us use that word, so we use that word often because of TikTok. What's trending now? What's next trending? So when I come to the market and look at the market, what's trending at the market? I was okay. For me now, the recent thing that's trending in this market is a downtrend. I get it now. So once it's downtrend, I'll be looking for what? A sell. When I come to the market, maybe it's an opposite. Maybe I'm in this particular time, I'm seeing an uptrend. What is trending in the market now? It's an uptrend. So what I'm looking for now, I'll be looking for what? A buy situation. In this kind of market now, I'll not be looking for a sell. Maybe for some people that maybe they are scalpers, we call them scalpers in the market. Those guys can literally do anything. They can still find a sell, but it will not be as when you are patient enough to know that, okay, this is what's going to give me what is a buy in the market. So this, I'm done. I told you I don't want the video to be long. I want you guys to understand the video and get it very clear. I hope you understand. I'll be giving out a free PDF document for those that will watch to the end. So you can just click on the PDF. You can click. I'll put my WhatsApp link down, and you just click on my WhatsApp link, and I'll send you the document. You just have to just save my contact. Yeah, very simple. Save my contact, and I will save yours, and we'll write. I will send you a document. So now we can talk to each other. Can have access to me, and you can talk to me on anything you're looking for, any question you want to ask. Very simple. Thank you so much. I love you, family. Keep up.